That's nice. That's pretty. And that's one bounce.
Oh, that's a nice shot. Look at the timing. Races away for 4. Not a big boundary on that eastern side. محمد Hafeez looks a good touch tonight. Nicely played. Nicely played. In fact, it's 4. Third man only had 5 metres to his left. Couldn't go there. And it races away back-to-back boundaries. Oh, that's a nice cover drive for 4. Look at the placement. Found the gap. It wasn't that large a gap, but the timing from Hafeez was perfect. Oh, it's edged away for 4. Goes fine. Beats Sodi at third man. It's the sort of ground where you've got to have the guys very fine because the ball does fly off the edge. Piece of bowling, but 4 for Hafeez. It's pulled away flat and hard for 4. Placement, superb. Just a touch on the short side. Nice way to finish the over. 78 for 4.
Now, yeah. How do you feel after that one? Because that's a big sixer.
There's a 50 up as well for محمد Hafeez. An outstanding innings. Shining beacon in the Pakistan top order so far. Most experienced man. He is standing up, fighting for Pakistan. On this occasion, it's the length, but it's also the line. The line from Kugelheim is slightly straighter. What that allows Hafeez to do is swivel on the ball, hit it up, upward trajectory.
Oh, that sounded good, didn't it? Gee, that sounded nice. .50 partnership between these two. Through, that's clever. That's clever. There's not much pace there from Sodi, but he just created it there, Hafeez, showing some real class. Now, lining it up. Guptill gets high and can't get high enough. He's missed the hole. He's missed the Yorker. That's what he was going for, Bolt. It's going to cost him. Oh, that's a great place to hit it. That is a super place to hit it here. Behind you, it's such a short boundary, and there's pace in the wicket.
Well, the difference with this is length.
Oh, take that again. Take it again. This one just goes for 4. Use the edge. Forget about the middle. They're not going to set a field for the edges. Why not finish 99 not out? Here we go. Oh, has he? Is he going to? Or is he going to be out? No, he's not. He's going to finish 99 not out. What an innings. If there's anyone deserved 100, it was that man there. But he's run out of balls.